Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're creating Google Forms for surveys, event registrations, or feedback, you might have noticed that by default, they often require users to sign in with a Google account. This can be a real hassle, especially if you want to make your form accessible to absolutely anyone, like anonymous respondents. In this video, we'll walk through the simple steps to disable that sign-in requirement, updated for 2025. Stick around, and you'll have your forms ready in no time. First things first, head over to Google Forms. You can access it by going to forms.google.com or through your Google Drive. Once you're there, either create a new form by clicking the +blank button or open an existing one that you want to edit. Now, let's get into the settings. Look for the gear icon in the top right corner of the form editor. That's your settings menu. Click on it, and you'll see a few tabs. Go to the Responses tab. Here, you'll find an option that says something like Require Sign-In. It's usually checked by default to ensure responses are tracked, but for open access, uncheck that box. Make sure to save your changes by clicking Save at the bottom. That's the main step, but let's add a couple of tips to make this even smoother. If your form includes questions that collect email addresses or personal info, double-check how that interacts with the No Sign-In setting, as Google might still prompt for verification in some cases. Also, after saving, test your form by sharing the link and opening it in an incognito window or on a different device. This ensures everything works as expected without any login barriers. And there you have it. Your Google form is now open to everyone. This feature is super handy for increasing participation and making your content more user-friendly. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.